Hi, this recording will show you how to read my comments in your papers. Start by going to My Grades. Scroll down to the one that you want to see your grade for, and you will see that you have the choice of seeing just the grade, just the comment box, or clicking on the essay itself. This is what I recommend you do. Click here. Then you will see that you can view just the grade, you can read the comment box, or more importantly, you can look at the comments that I wrote by clicking on the yellow highlighted area, and you will see what I wrote. So for example, you see this yellow highlighted area, click on there and you will see the comment that I wrote that only appears when your cursor is on the yellow highlighted area. That's how you do it. Good luck!